Happiness and nature. Why do earthquakes happen? I asked someone about it. It's because the vibrations of humans and nature have fallen out of sync. Humans are part of nature, but only humans resist it seems. To find happiness, try immersing yourself in nature. It calms your heart, doesn't it? Watching the sea, don't you gradually feel happier? When you gaze at the stars and the moon, what feelings arise? The truth is, happiness was already inside us all along. Resisting nature holds no power, but cooperating with nature creates infinite possibilities. If you try to understand, you will.